When it comes to combining legendary reliability, fuel efficiency, and compact convenience, the Toyota RV motorhome has earned its place as one of the most beloved vehicles for road trip enthusiasts, full-time travelers, and van life adventurers. It's not just an RV, it's a symbol of freedom. Built on the trusted platforms of Toyota trucks and vans, these motorhomes have been turning heads and covering ground for decades, and their popularity only continues to grow. The roots of the Toyota RV motorhome date back to the 1970s and 1980s, with models like the Chinook, Dolphin, Sunraider, and Winnebago Warrior. These weren't factory-built by Toyota itself, but rather converted by US companies using Toyota truck chassis and drivetrains. Despite this, they feel like authentic Toyota products, largely due to the engines that powered them. Most featured the ultra-reliable 20 or 22 engines, four-cylinder workhorses known to last well over 300,000 miles with basic care. This engine, combined with a lightweight frame, made the early Toyota motorhomes durable, efficient, and highly maneuverable, everything you want when you're living life on the road. Inside, the layout of a Toyota RV is nothing short of genius. Every inch is maximized to provide all the essential amenities in a compact space. Most models come with a kitchenette equipped with a 2-burner stove, a sink, a fridge, and ample counter space for prepping meals. There's usually a small dinette that converts into a sleeping area, along with a separate overhead bunk. Storage solutions are tucked into walls, benches, and cabinets, keeping gear out of sight but always within reach. Some models even include a full bathroom with a toilet and shower, making them ideal for long-haul trips or remote camping. Driving a Toyota RV feels more like operating a van or small truck than piloting a traditional motorhome. The steering is light, the turning radius is tight, and the visibility is excellent.